Imagine that the world of programming and software development, as we have known it for the past few decades, has come to an end. Developers around the world are increasingly asking the question, is the profession of programming becoming obsolete? Today, we dive into one of the hottest topics in the tech world and explore why many believe that the era of programming is over and why the future might look completely different. Let's start by understanding what's causing such a stir. On the surface, it seems like everything is going well in the world of programming. Millions of people continue to learn new languages, millions of applications and websites are being developed, and the demand for tech solutions keeps growing. However, behind the scenes, significant changes are happening that could fundamentally alter the very nature of software development. The first major topic causing concern among programmers is automation. Over the last few years, we've witnessed tremendous advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Platforms like GitHub Copilot, Microsoft's Visual Studio IntelliCode, and others have already started implementing automated systems for writing code. Programmers can input simple commands, and AI generates complex code for them. What used to take hours or even days of work can now be created in just minutes. This makes many wonder, what if in the future programming becomes so automated that human involvement will be almost unnecessary? But automation is only the tip of the iceberg. In recent years, more and more companies have begun using low-code and no-code platforms. These technologies allow applications and programs to be created without the need to write code manually. Visual interfaces, templates, and automated processes replace complex lines of code, making development accessible even to those without technical education. Platforms like Appian, OutSystems, and Mendix have already become standards in the world of enterprise solutions, and their popularity continues to grow. In a world where almost anyone can become a developer without deep programming knowledge, the role of professional programmers may change. However, things are not so clear-cut. While low-code and no-code platforms do make application creation easier, they still have their limitations. For complex, specialized solutions, a deep understanding of programming and application architecture is still required. Nonetheless, the fact remains. Some of the work that was once available only to professional developers can now be performed by ordinary users with minimal technical skills. Let's take a moment to look back at the history of programming. Programming as a discipline has existed for several decades. Remember how it all started. From the mid-20th century, when the first computers appeared, to the present day, programming has gone through many changes. From the very first programming languages, like assembly and Fortran, to more modern ones like Python, Java, and JavaScript, each era brought something new to the development of technology. And at every stage, someone declared that programming had reached its peak. In the 1980s and 1990s, programming in high-level languages like C and C++ was considered the pinnacle of technical innovation. However, with the advent of simpler and more flexible languages like Python, many developers of that time believed that professional programming would come to an end, since now almost anyone could learn to code in just a few months. Today's situation is somewhat similar. On the one hand, there is fear that new technologies will kill traditional programming, and on the other hand, the development of these technologies opens up new horizons. To better understand why the question of the end of programming has become so relevant today, let's look at the economic aspect. In recent years, the salaries of programmers have been skyrocketing. Companies competing for the best talent have been driving up wages to extreme levels. However, with the emergence of technologies that automate parts of developers' work, companies are starting to reconsider their IT budgets. Why pay a highly skilled programmer when AI can perform part of their job for a fraction of the cost? These changes in the economics of programming are especially noticeable in countries with highly developed IT industries, such as the US and Europe. Companies are increasingly hiring less skilled developers or even users of low-code platforms, leading to a reduced demand for highly qualified programmers. As a result, this could lead to lower salaries and increased competition among developers. But that's just one side of the coin. On the other hand, the demand for programmers is not going away. The question is, what will future programmers look like? Will their work involve writing code as it has for the past few decades? Or will they be more focused on system architecture, managing AI, and other high-level tasks? Some believe that in the future, developers will act more as overseers of automated programming systems rather than writing code themselves. These programmers will be responsible for setting up and optimizing AI that will generate the code for them. This is a completely new approach, suggesting that programmers of the future will need to develop skills in managing and optimizing AI algorithms. Moreover, an important aspect is the shift in educational processes. If previously universities and educational courses focused on teaching programming languages and algorithms, now more and more attention is being paid to teaching development concepts, software architecture, and AI integration into the development process. The new generation of programmers will not only need to know how to code, but also understand how to interact with AI tools and build systems architecture that supports integration with automated platforms. It's also important to mention the phenomenon of the democratization of programming. More and more people without formal technical education are learning the basics of programming and starting to develop their own projects. This is due to the availability of educational platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Codecademy, which allow anyone to learn the basics of programming. As a result, the barrier to entry into the profession has significantly lowered, leading to an increase in the number of developers in the job market. This phenomenon is further amplified by the availability of numerous free open-source tools and libraries which simplify the development process. Today, programmers can leverage millions of lines of code created by other developers, significantly reducing the time it takes to write their own solutions. This speeds up the development process, but also diminishes the uniqueness of developers' work. Another important topic is the growing popularity of the development as a service (DaaS) concept. In recent years, we have seen how software and technology are becoming increasingly accessible to a wide audience. Companies that used to create solutions from scratch are now more frequently using ready-made tools and platforms to implement their projects. In the future, DaaS may play a key role in transforming the software development process. Imagine a world where most applications and systems are developed not by writing code from scratch, but by adapting existing modules offered by developers as a service. Development as a service implies that instead of developing complex systems from scratch, companies and individual developers will be able to buy or rent modules created by specialized teams or AI. These modules will easily integrate into existing architectures, providing users with ready-to-use functional solutions. For programmers, this could mean that their role will significantly change. Instead of manually writing code, they will focus more on configuring, modifying, and optimizing pre-existing solutions. Tasks related to integrating different components, ensuring compatibility, and optimizing performance will become key for future developers. This also suggests that skilled programmers will be responsible for evaluating the quality, security, and functionality of provided modules, requiring deep knowledge not only of programming, but also of software architecture and project management principles. One of the key aspects of DaaS is scalability. Unlike the traditional approach to development, where each new feature required additional effort from developers, in the DaaS model, companies will be able to dynamically adjust and expand their systems based on their needs. This is especially relevant for startups and small businesses that lack the resources to create complex software products from scratch. They will be able to rent the necessary features and integrate them into their projects, significantly reducing development costs and time. Now let's talk about the impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on programming, as it is becoming the main driver of changes in the development world. AI is already beginning to rewrite the rules of programming, not only automating routine tasks, but also helping with code writing and optimization. Modern systems like GitHub Copilot and OpenAI can generate code based on text commands or task descriptions, fundamentally changing the development process. Programmers no longer need to manually develop every algorithm or function, saving enormous amounts of time and resources. However, it's important to understand that AI's role in programming can be much broader than just helping write code. In the future, AI may become a full participant in development, not only writing code but also testing it, finding bugs, optimizing performance, and even suggesting improvements to application architecture. Such tools will allow programmers to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of development, leaving routine tasks to AI systems. For example, AI could be used to automatically generate tests based on code analysis. Previously, this was one of the most time-consuming parts of development. Writing tests, running them, and analyzing results took significant time. Now, AI can analyze the source code, identify potential vulnerabilities or weak points, and create appropriate test scenarios. Moreover, AI can predict where performance or security issues might arise in the code, allowing developers to prevent them before the product is released. In conclusion, the future of software development and programming will be closely tied to the development of AI and automation. Programmers of the future are unlikely to focus solely on writing code, as they do today. Their role will evolve. They will become system architects, manage AI tools, and solve complex problems that require creative thinking and a deep understanding of technology. While automation and AI may take over routine tasks, creativity and strategic thinking will remain crucial aspects of a programmer's work. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the future of programming and technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest releases. Let us know in the comments what you think the future of programming will look like.